KRS and engaging, YouTube-style narrative about Mazak Malaysia's path toward 2026, crafted in an approximately 800-word conversational flow, without headings, designate to feel like a video narration. Big picture time. If you've ever wondered where manufacturing is headed, stick around, because today we are diving deep into Mazak Malaysia's journey toward 2026, and trust me, it's full of innovation, community energy, and a future that's already taking shape. Imagine walking through a live expo floor, machines humming, sparks flying, engineers smiling, and the buzz of what's next. So let's flash back a bit. In 2025, Mazak Malaysia dropped jaws at Metaltech 2025 Inci Kuala Lumpur, and a massive 405 SQM boot packet with demos of their latest tech, vertical machining centers like the VEV CEZ 510 IP, CNC tuning centers such as QTE 200 My SG and QT Primos 100 SG, and a Slick 5 Axis Variaxis C 600. People were lining up to see them in action. It wasn't just machines. There was also the YMS Tooling Corner, Mazatrol DX Demo Zone, and hands-on experts answering every curious question, perfect proof that they're serious about engaging with the industry and raising the bar. Fast forward to 2026, and imagine what's coming next. If that 2025 showcase was stunning, the next year feels like the canvas where everything is coming together. The ground war is set, relationships deepened, and expectations are building for even bolder showcases. We might see entirely new categories of machines, more intelligent automation, tighter integration between tools and software, and maybe glimpses of sustainability innovations too, because robot-powered precision is awesome, but eco-friendly precision. That's next level. Let's also appreciate the backbone behind those machines. In Malaysia, Machine Terminal, PG, SDN BHD is the only authorized distributor for Mazak's full lineup. From multitasking CNC machines to 5 Axis centers, tuning centers, vertical and horizontal machining centers. They have been that reliably bridge connecting global technology with local industry needs. That enduring partnership means that come 2026, any new Mazak innovation lands in capable hands, with local service, training, parts, and technical support already in place. Zoom out a bit, and Mazak's global network shines. With 11 manufacturing plants, 5 in Japan, plus locations in the UK, US, Singapore, India, and China, they're building a worldwide ecosystem of support, with 85 global support bases including 38 technology centers and 47 technical centers. What does that mean for Malaysia? Well, any breakthrough in one part of the globe can quickly be adapted, supported, and localized for Malaysian customers. It's like having a global brain and a local strong arm working together, powerful. Now, let's imagine scenes of 2026. Inside a freshly upgraded technology center in Malaysia, a local team demonstrating eye-powered diagnostics, predictive maintenance, maybe even hybrid additive subtractive SYS.